really what 3D printing brings is low-cost, small-scale production. That doesn't sound very exciting. Why would you want small-scale production? And usually people don't think about low cost as being as being a way to describe 3D printing. But really, where it brings in low cost is where very unique parts are needed. We've encountered a number of great customers where what they need is 10 parts, and maybe the next day 20 parts that are just a little bit different, and then maybe the next day after that 50 parts that are just another little difference. These are all great opportunities for 3D printing, especially if those 10 parts or those 20 parts or those 30 parts require a whole nother level of tooling. And sometimes the turnaround times to get those parts can be 2 months or more. These are great applications for 3D printing. Another big place where 3D printing is very effective is whenever you want more local production. The inefficiencies in our supply chains today are tremendous. We are shipping things across oceans and then assembling in one place and assembling in another. Really what 3D printing allows us to do is have a much more microeconomy, make the parts where we want them, when we want them. We don't have to make things a million parts at a time. So this is another really important place to use 3D printing.
One of the opportunities that we've run across that is really unique is there are a lot of old equipment in the world that still is functional but requires maintenance and replacement parts. And many of these products that are in the world, the original producer of the product is long gone. And 3D printing creates the opportunity to produce a replacement part that looks like the part that they need. And what Chromatic really enables is to take that part that looks like the part that they need and turn it into a durable, lasting part that they can utilize as they do maintenance or they refurbish various industrial or recreational equipment that's out there in the world. We found in the railroad industry that they do thousands and thousands and thousands of brake jobs on a fleet of equipment that's up to 50 years old, where they don't have an ability to go back to the producer of the original rail car and get replacement parts. They have to make them all themselves. And Chromatic really enables the seals and the gaskets that are utilized with the metal parts that they're creating out of their machine shops to be functional and durable as they replace them. I'm an avid cyclist, and there's certain parts of your body that hit the bike, for example, where your hands go. Chromatic technology would be ideal to understand how my hands fit on the handlebar and to create padding and to create support for me as I lean on my bike to eliminate all the pressure points that I have.